Ever wondered how to make the perfect spicy, tangy fish sushi? Dive into the world of sushi making with us and discover a recipe that will leave your taste buds tingling with delight. This flavor-packed delicacy is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a gastronomic adventure waiting to be explored. Imagine a delicate slice of fresh fish, its natural sweetness enhanced by a tangy marinade, all wrapped up in a sushi roll. The first step in this culinary journey is selecting the perfect fish. Opt for a fresh and firm piece of salmon or tuna. Their rich flavors work best for this recipe. Next, prepare the marinade. Combine soy sauce, rice vinegar, a hint of lemon juice, and a generous sprinkle of chili flakes in a bowl. Add a touch of honey for a hint of sweetness that will balance out the heat. Stir it well until all the ingredients are harmoniously blended. Now submerge the fish slices into this tangy and spicy concoction. Make sure each slice is well coated with the marinade, allowing the fish to absorb all the flavors. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This step is crucial as it allows the flavors to permeate the fish. While the fish is marinating, it's time to prepare the sushi rice. Finely rinse Japanese short grain rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Cook the rice as per the instructions on the pack. Once cooked, mix in sushi vinegar and let it cool. As the rice cools down, take the marinated fish out of the refrigerator. You'll notice the flesh has taken on a deeper hue, a sign that it's well infused with the tangy and spicy flavors. Now comes the fun part, assembling the sushi. Lay out a bamboo sushi mat and place a sheet of nori on it. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice on the nori, leaving a small margin at the top for sealing the roll. Lay the marinated fish slices on the rice, aligning them in the center. Roll the sushi tightly with the help of the bamboo mat. Make sure it's firm but not overly tight, as it might cause the fillings to squeeze out. Once rolled, use a sharp knife to slice the sushi into bite-sized pieces. Voila! Your spicy, tangy fish sushi is ready to be savored. Each bite delivers a perfect balance of heat, tang, and sweetness, with the distinct flavor of the fish shining through. To summarize, the recipe involves preparing a tangy and spicy marinade, marinating the fish, preparing sushi rice, and finally assembling the sushi. This simple yet flavorful recipe truly brings out the best of sushi making. So the next time you crave sushi, remember, a delicious adventure awaits in your kitchen.